Duppy Breadfruit. And no one eats it.
You want me to pick this?
Yeah, go pick it and bring it, come, James. Maybe I'll even taste a little. How are we gonna cook it? You think it's poisonous? That's why nobody eats it? Or?
I don't know. I hope it's because you don't want to eat it, but you have a brilliant color.
It's very beautiful, eh?
Yeah, but I never see no one eat it. We call it Duppy Breadfruit. When youthful days I hear that name, Duppy Breadfruit. I don't see no one eat it.
It looks strange too.
But, yeah, and it must be strange to most people because no people ever say nothing about it. I never hear no government test it. But it's a beautiful, one of the most beautifulest fruit you can ever look at. But I see no one eat it. Like about 5 acres that.
Yeah. Come on, George.
Yeah, come on. Tree. When we are youth, we hear them call it Duppy Breadfruit. I don't see no fowl eat it. I don't see no animal, not even the hog I don't see eat it. I don't know what it is. I don't know how much it's effective or what sense is in it, but I never hear nobody really say anything about it. But it don't eat. I throw it to a fowl, the fowl won't pick it, and it look ripe and pretty. Like an animal couldn't pass it.
Cut it in half and see what it looks like in half and smell.
Well, this time I'm going to cut the duck in two. Packed with seed inside and look as pretty as something to eat.
Wow.
I'm gonna have a smell of it. They say smell is good as the taste, so I don't want to taste it, I want to smell it. It don't have no smell giving. It don't smell like it smell nothing.
Throw some of the chicken over there, hold on. See if the old mother hen will eat any.
They don't want it.
They don't want it at all.
A cock took it one time, as in put him out on it, he don't want it.
So something much wrong with it.
Right? Well, then see them start to look at it, then no, they won't eat it. They don't want it. They don't want it. Nothing want it to eat. And the fowl is very craving. They only put them up and they juke it, they don't eat it. I mean, I don't know what taste it got. And I don't think I got to, but anything animal don't touch, I don't touch it either. But it looks so pretty. And it have seed like something to catch. Look how it packed with seed, like a good fruit.
What if I should pick one and take it back to Canada and have it tested?
Well, let me say, if you like, I want to test to see, because I can say this fruit don't eat in Jamaica, you don't like to know what protein this fruit carry.